Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jolie Knots Crochet. Share with your friends. Hit that little notification bell so you can get notified when new patterns release. All our videos are available in left and right-handed tutorials.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I am Crystal and today we are going to be learning how to make a Romanian cord. Now a Romanian cord is good for like straps or something hanging, maybe for like a belt loop. Essentially it is single crochets without the chain one, but gives a different look. So the way that you are going to start is to go ahead and take your yarn and your hook and create a slip knot. Now you're just going to chain 2. After you chain 2, we're going to single crochet into the first chain created, and now you're going to turn. But when you turn, we are going to turn our work in a way so that our working yarn is coming from the back of our work, not turning this way and then it coming from the front of your work and you having to work around that. So go make sure it's coming from the back of your work. Do not chain 1, and you're going to single crochet right into the first, well, the only single crochet, and make a single crochet. Turn your work again, don't chain 1, and single crochet into that single crochet. Again, turn your work, and that's all you do. So as we move a little bit farther into this, I'll show you the look that it begins to create. Now this is easier than doing like a chain and trying to go back through and single crochet into all of those. This does not have a stretch to it, and it gives it a look a little bit more like a cord. So that's what it's going to look like. So that's all you're going to do is just continue to turn, place your single crochets, and get to the length that you like. Now I typically use this for straps to close, like a loop to close things on rather than just a chain sometimes. I've also used this for a hanging rope to hold plants. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching Jolie Knots Crochet. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram under Jolie Knots Crochet. Also, don't forget to join the Jolie Knots Crochet community group on Facebook and show us what you've created.